Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the Audi RS3 conversion of the Maxton Design kit. What the client has opted for is a stunning configuration across the whole of the vehicle. We've got the front splitter looking absolutely incredible in the gloss black. We move over to the side skirts as well. They're looking absolutely incredible. And this has all been installed at our premises here in Cambridge, all professionally by our team. And then we've also got the rear side skirts as well. That just sets off the car so nice, and it's exactly how our client wanted it. All our systems are fully configurable in terms of styling options, so make sure you head over to our website, guys. Loads of stuff listed on there, but if there's something that's not listed on there and you want something a little bit different on your vehicle, just reach out to us, drop us an email. All our contact details is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.